How are you? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel or any of my social media platforms that you're watching this video on, click the follow button. Let's connect. I will have more video content coming soon, blogs, quotes, etc. In regards to helping you build your brand or your business when it comes to marketing, branding, writing, etc. So I wanted to share this video with you because LinkedIn is, to me, in my humble opinion, it is the most powerful social media platform right now for people who want to build a brand, build a community, or build their business. I've been using LinkedIn consistently for the past 2 to 3 years. And I started out on LinkedIn sharing blogs that I was doing for companies that I worked for while I was freelancing. And I also shared content for guest blog opportunities that I was doing for like startups and app companies and other platforms like the HuffPost, for example. And one of the great things about posting daily or regularly, at least, on LinkedIn is it helps to drive your relevance when it comes to search in your city or just from a global standpoint, and it builds authority so that, for example, if you just start sharing your blogs or articles and then you get into doing videos, people already have read your content. They know your personality. They know that you are committed and dedicated to your craft. So when they see your video, it just adds more personality. It adds to your branding. It helps you get more eyes and grow a community with time. So right now, I have a little over 500 followers on LinkedIn. I have over 500 connections on LinkedIn, and I'm going to give you my best practices on how you can do the same if you are consistent, if you work hard, and you put on your creativity cap. So, what I do every day is I share content in the form of a blog, a video, a quote, or some kind of a photo but with some text in it based on what I do best. And I never talk about things that I have not been successful at, either while I was working in the corporate world for a company or I was freelancing several years ago or while I was writing my business and actually serving clients. I only talk about things that I regularly do. I'm not a professor. I'm not going to talk about things that I don't do Monday through Friday. So these are the things that will help you. So if you are an employee, talk about what you do best. Not particular to your company because you don't want to give away company information, but what you do best. Are you great at graphic design? Are you great at building websites? Are you an amazing editor? Are you really good at staging properties for realtors? Talk about what you do best. Because guess what? The subscriptions on LinkedIn are up right now, and it's not just an online platform to upload an online resume. It is where CEOs live. It's where executives live. It is where directors with a budget for marketing and business development live. So you have to be on LinkedIn if you want to grow your following, your authority, and attract new opportunities. So the other thing that I want to tell you is I see a lot of people using LinkedIn like it's Facebook, and that's their prerogative. But in my humble opinion, you should be using it as a professional business platform. Be honest, be transparent, show your failures. For example, several months ago, I shared a post about a paid YouTube video that I did that got over 7,000 views, but I forgot to add a call to action throughout the video. And even though I got a lot of views and it's my top viewed video on YouTube, I also shared how I could have improved. And that's humility, ladies and gentlemen. It's not about looking perfect like we did on Facebook or showing your family vacations. No, this is humility. This is honesty. Because when you add a failure and then you add what you could have done best, it shows that you're a leader. It shows that you're forward thinking. It shows that you are a human being. The other thing that you want to do besides sharing great content and explaining failures and how you could have done better is to connect with people every day, every week, and not by sending a cold email on your products and services, but by just go on a blog, read a blog, go back to the comment and talk about the highlights or the things that resonated well with you. And that's how you can grow your brand, your business, your personal connections on LinkedIn. Don't underestimate the value of LinkedIn, ladies and gentlemen. Some of my top opportunities in business have come because somebody found a post, because of a hashtag I used, or because somebody read a blog, or because somebody just fell upon my profile and needed a writer for their new startup. So I hope this helps. I hope you and your family stay healthy and stay safe. And again, if you're new to my YouTube channel or on any of the other platforms that I have online to which you're watching this video, click the follow button. Let's connect. If you have any questions, post a comment below or send a direct message. And I look forward to sharing more of my best practices soon. Stay healthy, stay safe. Take care. Bye.